same as before. Let's see what she does.
30.
Way more wheel spin.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So you might have seen in a previous video we installed the S&B cold air intake on Shorty. That paired with a factory E85 tune, we were able to get our quarter-mile personal best down to a 15.3, which I know is not fast, but we're taking it mod by mod, getting this thing quicker and quicker. And I think today's install is going to have a dramatic impact on that. So huge shout out to the guys over at Diablo Sport. We got the new Trinity EX tuner, which not only are we going to tune the truck with this today, we're also going to be able to monitor a ton of different parameters in real time, just like the Edge Evolution that we have in the Duramax. Now, as well as this offers data logging, and we can use this as a link so that we can do custom tuning on the truck. The only negative that I know of is this is a flex fuel truck. This does not offer E85 tuning, so we are going to be running 93, which I have already filled this thing up with. So with that said, let's go ahead and unbox it, slap it in here, upload that tune, see what she'll do. Got instruction packet. There's our screen, which looks very similar to the Edge Evolution, which I'm stoked on because that thing worked beautifully in the Duramax. Got our OBD2 to HDMI cable, a little micro HDMI so we can plug it up to our laptop if we need to, some zip ties. This should be a suction cup mount for it. It is. Pop this guy out. And this does have the built-in connector so we can add things if we wanted to. We're just gonna peel this back somehow, some way. Tuck that cable in. Just like that. Perfect. Now we gotta figure out how far. So let's plug this in. And we want to mount it nice and low so it's discreet but also visible. We're going to wad this up and we'll just go right here. Plug up to our OBD2, which the tuner is turning on. We're going to go ahead and just stuff these wires in right here. I'm going to go back and zip tie them. But for the time being, we'll just leave it like that. Done. Let's go into tuning. Okay. Let's turn on to the on position. All right. Tuning vehicle, custom tuning. Tuning vehicle. Diablo tune, 87 octane tune, MPG booster, modified stock tune. Skip this module. I'm guessing it's going to be Diablo tune, trans firm shift tune, trans hard shift tune, modified stock tune. Let's do information. This firm shift tune is designed for a mild increase. Okay, what is modified stock? Allows you to change parameters. Okay. Trans firm shift. Press continue to begin reading your vehicle's factory data. ECM original backup. Would you like to install the tune as is, or would you like to modify it? Let's customize. What switches? 4-cylinder mode. Let's turn that off. Skip shift. MPG. We don't want to skip any shifts. Save tires. We have 285, 40, 22s. Gears, I don't know, limiters. Let's see what limiters. Speed limiter, let's turn that off. Oh, I think RPM, we'll keep that as is. Fans, fuel, spark, idle, switches, trans. Let's just install Diablo tune, trans firm shift tune, all those goodies. Accept and install. Your vehicle's been successfully tuned. Please I can't speak. Hit and continue. All right, let's go to gauges, which I'll probably won't waste y'all's time. I'll go ahead and figure out what all gauges I want up here, and then I'll update y'all once I figure that out. So I did confirm the Diablo Sport tune is the 93 octane tune. So first startup. Here's my parameters that I went with. This screen, which I didn't even look at the third. Oh, it's waking up. Oh yeah, we don't want that. Oh no, we don't want that. That one looks good. I like that. I probably will go through and maybe change a couple different parameters. Unfortunately, you can't do oil pressure on here. From what I've read, it just reads like voltage, doesn't do oil pressure. So yeah, we'll probably have to swap our dash out to get that, or add an extra gauge. Either way, I'm gonna let her warm up for a little bit. We'll go take it for a drive, just cruise around, let the truck get used to the tune, the octane, everything like that. See how she drives, then we'll go test out the quarter mile.
And let's do it. Well, that was a firm shift.
60. Quarter mile.
All right, let's rerun on the factory modified transmission tune. Same as before. Let's see what she does.
30.
Way more wheel spin.
660. Quarter mile.
So I've been driving around for about a week now on the Diablo 93 tune with the factory modified transmission tune, and the truck seems very happy. As well as I did find a predicted oil pressure reading. Definitely not going to be as accurate as a physical gauge, but it's better than nothing, I guess. So I will take it. The truck is running really, really nice. It loves not going in and out of 4-cylinder mode. It just really performs very solid. It's like a factory tune, but more powerful, of course. So going from the E85 factory tune to the 93 performance tune, dude, we knocked those numbers down quite a bit. We are knocking on 14's door, which I definitely think we're going to totally destroy with the next mod, which is going to be long tube headers. But first, we got to drop the back of this thing and then go get an alignment, because the alignment is still not good on this truck, and that's probably slowing us down, honestly. But huge shout out to Diablo sending us out the Trinity EX to showcase for y'all. I'm very pleased with it, and we'll definitely use it all the time in the truck now for monitoring, as well as we can use it for data logging and get our new custom tunes put on it and upload it to the truck. So hopefully y'all did enjoy. Comment down below. Let me know. I'll see y'all in the next one.